ask you now, in the presence of this company, Wen-Yang, do you take Jahan to be your wife? Do you promise to comfort her in life's sorrow and pain, to rejoice with her through the good times, and to remain true to her for the rest of your lives together?
I do.
Thank you. And Jahan, do you take Wen-Yang to be your husband? Do you promise to comfort him in life's sorrow and pain, to rejoice with him through the good times, and to remain true to him for the rest of your lives together?
I do.
Thank you so much. I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, and all of my heart I give to you. All that is mine, all that
is
is mine,
mine.
I share with you. Perfect, and you can slide that ring all the way on her finger.
Okay.
Perfect. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my love.
of my love.
All of my heart
All of my heart
I give to you.
I give to you.
All that is mine
All that is mine
I share with you.
I share with you.
And you can slide it all the way up. Perfect. Thank you. And you can keep holding hands.
Okay.
Because Wen-Yang and Jahan, you have both made the declarations required by law and have made solemn promises to each other in the presence of your family and friends gathered here today. This day is the start of a new chapter for you together, and we all here hope that the feelings of love that you so clearly have for each other deepen and grow ever stronger throughout the years to come. On behalf of the City of Westminster, it gives me the greatest pleasure to declare you are now husband and wife. Congratulations!